Where's the siren at? Where is it at? I need to cut. I see the siren in the movie. I'm trying to count it on camera. You guys see it? I'm sorry. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. A blizzard? I don't see a blizzard anywhere. Where's the blizzard at? Do I see any blizzards? Guys, bro, this. I don't see any blizzards or anything. I don't see anything that's really bad. I don't see a blizzard or anything. All I know is a snowstorm, and I think it's a blizzard. Bro, I don't see any. Do you guys see anything? I see a lot of snow over there. Wait a second. There's a lot of snow over there and it's blowing a lot. Like all the way over there near that blue house. What? Guys, I don't know. It's probably a blizzard or what. Can you please tell me? Is it a blizzard? No, I don't know. All I know, I think it's a blizzard. Because if it is a blizzard, then, yeah, I'm going to have to, I think we have to go to a new United States. Because this can't be real. There will not be a blizzard. So, yeah.